This house used to be a 1970s raised ranch, but now it's a zero-energy home with a modern flair. Two types of fiber cement siding are used, panels and lap siding, but all of the siding is part of a high-performance rainscreen which allows drainage behind it. 4 inches of foam were added to the outside of the walls, and it was held in place with furring strips. Because foam compresses, before installing siding you have to align the furring strips into a flat plane. This is done with a string line, and it's especially important with these large panels of siding. The lower front elevation will have large panels, as well as a large bump out added to the north end of the house. And that is where we're going to watch the guys put up a few pieces. The leading edge is slid into the channel of a piece of corner molding, which is fastened to the wall. When the panel is snugly settled into the track, Calvin screws it off through pre-drilled holes. The tops of the panels tuck under the fascia that rims the top of the bump out.
So you want me to go a ½ inch longer, right?
So Calvin adds ½ inch to the long point number. He measures over 4 feet, draws a plumb line, and gets a short point number and shouts it down to the cut station. John makes the cut, pre-drills the holes, and hands it up to Calvin and PJ. They slide the top under the fascia, the edge into the track, and snug the bottom up tight. Then they screw off some more. The geometry of these tracks spaces the siding off the wall sheathing, which makes a capillary break behind the siding, and it makes it easier to slide in the next track, which is nailed to the wall. The track is actually a geometric part of the panel design. In addition to outside corners and vertical joints, there are also inside corners, J-channels, and Z-type tracks for horizontal joints that will also allow drainage. With the rainscreen covered, this cladding is set to go the distance.